Leo hivi tumeweza kupeana kandarasi na tulikuja hapa tuka hand over. The contractor is now about 5% working, and I believe we will manage this project meticulously. We will ensure every day, every minute is used to deliver this project, because tunataka maji ifike Ruiru, ifike Juja, ifike Nairobi na pia wananchi wa hapa.
We will do everything else that has to be done as a government jointly to ensure that we have sorted out any issues, we remove any hindrances to the completion of this project. And I want to assure you, the phase 2 will go on smoothly. We have enough resources to proceed. We are, as the minister said, we allocated 1 billion this financial year. We are looking for some money so that we make sure that we do not lose a day in the implementation of the project.
Nituko tunathina munene wa maai urakora ni kwi andu matonaga maai even in 1 week monaga maai muthenya umwe na riu tuge hena project irathii nambere iretwo Kariminu Dam 2 na thina wa Kariminu Dam 2 ndira designitwo kuhe Thika maai no riu kiuria giakwa ni ati Thika nikuo kwina iganda nyingi nikuo kwina andu aria ingi nikuo kwina miciria mingi niki kigituma tuheane maai kundu gwitagwo Juja tuheane Ruiru na tuheane Nairobi na hindi yo maai maragera o haha turi oguo ni njaritie na ministry na ngaria na athuota niguo maai maya maranidi o muberethi wa mbeca nini muno tukirurwo maai handu hetagwo Kisiwa na maai mau haria Mary Hill twina kinya mbeca cia guthondeka uhoro wa kana kiganda gia kumathambia tugumathambiria haria hetagwo Mary Hill na gutiri ndugi turenda o muberethi tu wa kuuma haria Kariminu ukio kinya haria Mary Hill na ithuĩ nĩ tũgĩa